guys, we're here to play my favorite game. This is Puppet. I'm gonna ask a friend to play with me. Piggy. His name is Piggy.
Oh, Piggy! Hello, Nicole! Hello, everyone! Hello. My name is Piggy! What are we gonna play today?
Puppet.
Oh my god, I have no idea what's this. Do you know, guys? Do you have any idea? I don't know.
I know.
You know? You're gonna teach me?
Yes.
What?
I'm to this line and you're to that line.
Okay, so to this line, yeah? You are until blue and I'm until the green line, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. So who reached there first wins? Oh my god. Oh, I'm so excited.
1, 2, and 1, 2.
Wait. Ah, oh my god. Oh, wait. Oh god. Oh my god. Are you? Oh, you are very fast. Oh, where I am. Wait. You are very fast. Oh my god. Oh, I'm tired. Oh, I'm tired. Oh my god, you won already. Oh, you have one more. Ha. Oh, I lost, isn't it? Oh, I have an idea. Oh, what should we do so I can win? I have a brilliant idea, Nicole. Can we call our friend Chicken?
Yeah.
Should we call him so he can help me?
No, we don't have to help you. Just one allowed.
Yes, but you are very good. So I want to win once as well, yeah?
Okay. Let's wait for me.
Okay, that's it. You gonna do it? Okay.
No, wait. I need to pop it all inside.
Oh, okay. Hello, guys. How are you doing? Do you want to show you my special friend? Chicken, where are you? Oh, hello, my friend. How are you? I'm all right. I've heard you call my name, and I came to help you. Yes, that's correct. I need your help, Nicole. She's very good at this game. Who is Nicole? Oh, you don't know Nicole? Oh, hi, Nicole. Okay, yeah. I know this girl. I know her. Yeah, so Nicole, she's very good at this game, and I need to win. Ah.
I'm nearly done.
Oh, okay. Okay, she's here. So we're gonna play three of us, yeah? To see who is gonna win.
1, 2, 3.
Wait! Oh! Wait! No! Wait! Oh my god! Oh my god! She is so quick! She's so quick! Very quick! She's very quick! She's very quick!
I win.
Oh, I'm tired.
I win.
I'm tired.
I win. I win.
Cuckoo. we done? What have we done? We lost again. Oh, Nicole, you are so good at this game. Very, 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 very good. Can we give you a hug and a kiss? Oh, come on here. Oh. Yeah, this is our special friend Nicole. Yes, yes, Chica. Now you know Nicole as well. Oh, yeah. I know her now. I know her. And she's very good, very good. Oh, yeah, she's very good. She's winning all the time. All the time. You are so happy, Nicole. Are you happy that you won?
Yeah.
Okay, if you are so happy that you won, what should we tell her? Can you give us some chocolate? You have any chocolate around?
Yeah.
Mm.
Here we go.
Oh. Oh, now we are happy. We are happy. Cuckoo-cuckoo. Okay, we are happy, Nicole. Now we have to go because we have a special mission and we have to go. But we're gonna see you another day. And you too, friends. We're gonna see you another day. Take care of yourself.
And I got more friends.
Yeah, and more friends are coming over. Do you have? You have more friends?
Yes. You're there on the floor.
Oh, okay.
You're there on the floor. You need to sell because today's my birthday. Tomorrow will be my birthday. All the kids need to come to me.
Oh, tomorrow is your birthday. What should we do? Should we sing? Should we sing?
No, not right now. Tomorrow.
Okay, tomorrow.
I need all the friends to come to my house and need to say happy birthday.
Okay, Nicole. But now we have to go.
I need to sing happy birthday too. Happy birthday.
Okay, we have to go now.
Okay.
We're gonna see you very, very soon. Give us a kiss and a hug.
Okay.
Cuckoo-cuckoo, cuckoo-cuckoo. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, friends.